Dealing with a rude coworker.
Good afternoon, Marco. Please come in and sit down.
Thank you, Susan. I hope I am not causing any trouble today.
Not at all. You asked to speak with HR. What is on your mind?
I have a situation with a coworker that I do not know how to handle.
Tell me what has been happening. I am here to listen carefully.
My coworker Derek makes comments that make me feel disrespected.
Can you give me a specific example of what he has said?
Last week, he told me my English accent was hard to understand.
Did he say that privately or in front of other team members?
In front of the whole team during our morning meeting.
I understand why that felt disrespectful and unprofessional to you.
I wasn't sure if I was being too sensitive about it, honestly.
You are not being too sensitive. Comments like that are not appropriate.
Appropriate, acceptable behavior in a professional work environment?
Exactly. There are standards of conduct everyone must follow at work.
Standards of conduct? Rules about how employees must treat each other?
Yes, respectful communication is required regardless of someone's background.
What can HR actually do about this kind of situation?
We document the incident and speak with Derek about his behavior.
Document. Create an official written record of what happened.
Yes, all complaints are recorded formally for accountability purposes.
Accountability. Ensuring people take responsibility for their actions.
Exactly. Nobody can ignore documented behavior that has been reported.
Will Derek know that I specifically reported this situation today?
We try to handle these matters as discreetly as possible always.
Discreetly, without sharing unnecessary details about who reported what.
Yes, protecting the person who reports is very important to us here.
That makes me feel much safer about coming forward today, honestly.
Has anything else happened beyond the comment about your accent?
He sometimes interrupts me during meetings before I finish speaking.
That pattern of behavior combined with the comment is concerning to us.
Pattern. Multiple incidents showing a repeated way of behaving?
Yes, one incident could be a mistake. Multiple incidents suggest a pattern.
Curious. What happens to Derek if HR determines his behavior is a problem?
He receives formal coaching and a written warning in his file.
Written warning. An official document recording his inappropriate behavior.
Yes, and if behavior continues, consequences become increasingly serious.
I just want it to stop. I do not want him fired over this.
That is a very reasonable position, Marco. We will handle it proportionally.
Proportionally, the response matches the seriousness of the behavior.
Exactly. Fair and appropriate to the situation, without overreacting.
Thank you, Susan. I was afraid nobody would take this seriously.
Every employee deserves dignity and respect at work. Always remember that.
That means a lot to hear. Thank you for making me feel heard today.
At a farmer's market cooking demo.
Welcome everyone to today's live cooking demonstration here.
I am so excited. I have never attended a cooking demo before.
Then you are in for a treat today, Yuki. Perfect timing too.
Demo? Short for demonstration, showing how something is done?
Exactly. I cook the dish live and explain every step as I go.
What dish are you making for us here today?
A classic Pacific Northwest salmon with roasted seasonal vegetables.
Pacific Northwest. That region includes Oregon and Washington State.
Yes, known worldwide for some of the best wild salmon available.
What makes Pacific Northwest salmon different from other salmon?
Wild caught in cold, clean rivers gives it exceptional flavor and texture.
Texture, the physical feel and consistency of the food when eaten?
Yes, wild salmon is firmer and richer than farmed salmon varieties.
Farmed salmon, salmon raised in controlled environments rather than wild.
Yes, raised in large enclosures rather than swimming freely in rivers.
Curious, is wild salmon actually worth the higher price at the market?
For flavor and nutrition, most chefs strongly prefer wild-caught always.
Nutritionally, wild salmon has more health benefits than farmed versions?
Yes, higher omega-3 fatty acids and fewer artificial additives.
Omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that are good for the heart?
Exactly, proven to reduce inflammation and support brain health significantly.
Impressive. I did not realize choosing wild over farmed made such a big difference, honestly.
Now I'm seasoning the salmon with salt, pepper, and fresh dill.
Dill, that feathery green herb with a distinctive fresh flavor?
Yes, dill and salmon are one of the greatest flavor combinations in cooking.
Why do certain flavors pair so naturally with each other in cooking?
They share similar aromatic compounds that complement each other chemically.
Aromatic compounds, the chemical molecules that create specific smells and flavors.
Yes, flavor pairing is actually a science that professional chefs study deeply.
Cooking is so much more complex and fascinating than I ever realized, honestly.
Great cooking balances science and intuition. Both are equally important.
Intuition, cooking by feel and instinct, rather than following exact recipes.
Yes, knowing when something looks right or smells right without measuring.
How long does it take to develop that kind of cooking intuition?
Years of practice and making many delicious mistakes along the way.
Oh, delicious mistakes sound like the best possible kind to make, honestly.
Now the salmon goes into the pan. Listen to that beautiful sizzle.
That sound and smell together is absolutely incredible from here.
That sound means the pan is properly preheated at the right temperature.
Thank you, Ryan. I am going to try this recipe at home tonight.
Come find me after and I will write down the recipe for you.
Adopting healthy eating habits.
Good morning, Roberto. How have you been feeling lately?
Honestly, not great. Tired all the time and low energy.
That is very common with poor nutritional habits, actually.
You think my diet is causing my tiredness and low energy?
Quite possibly. Tell me what a typical day of eating looks like.
Coffee for breakfast, fast food for lunch, heavy dinner late at night.
I see several issues with that pattern right away.
Several issues? More than just one problem with my eating habits?
Yes, skipping real breakfast, processed lunch, and late heavy dinners.
Processed. Food that has been heavily manufactured and artificially modified?
Yes, loaded with sodium, preservatives, and refined ingredients mostly.
Refined ingredients. Natural foods that have been heavily processed and stripped?
Yes, white flour and white sugar are common examples of refined foods.
Why is refined food worse than natural, unprocessed food for health?
Refining removes fiber, vitamins, and minerals that your body actually needs.
Fiber, the part of plant food that aids digestion in the body.
Yes, fiber keeps your digestive system working efficiently and regularly.
Efficiently, everything working properly and smoothly without problems.
Exactly. Good digestion directly impacts your energy levels throughout the day.
So, my low energy is connected to my poor digestion somehow?
Very much so. Gut health affects energy, mood, and mental clarity significantly.
Gut health, the condition and function of my digestive system overall.
Yes, scientists now call it the second brain for good reason.
Scientists call the digestive system a second brain? That surprises me.
It produces neurotransmitters that directly affect your mood and cognition.
Neurotransmitters, chemical signals that carry messages between brain cells.
Yes, serotonin, which controls mood, is mostly produced in the gut.
My gut produces my mood chemicals. I had absolutely no idea about that.
That is why diet changes can dramatically improve how people feel emotionally.
Motivated to change my habits now.
What simple changes should I start making immediately to feel better?
Start with breakfast. Protein and fiber within 1 hour of waking up. Curious, what are quick, high-protein breakfast options for a busy person like me?
Friendly. Eggs, Greek yogurt, or a smoothie with protein powder and spinach.
Hesitant. Spinach in a smoothie? Would that not taste terrible, honestly?
Laughing. With banana and berries, you cannot taste the spinach at all.
Surprised. Really? I'll definitely try that tomorrow morning then.
Friendly. And swap the fast food lunch for a simple meal prep at home.
Hesitant. Meal prepped. Prepared in advance so it's ready when I need it.
Friendly. Yes. Cook on Sunday for the whole week ahead. Saves time and money.
Motivated. These changes sound very manageable and not too overwhelming, actually.
Friendly. Small, consistent changes over time create remarkable long-term results, Roberto.
Grateful. Thank you, Dr. Kim. I feel genuinely motivated to change my habits now.